To look for Zachary's present?
It's next to Zachary.
No, it's not next to Zachary. It's in the kitchen. Yes. Look, maybe it's on the chair.
It's not on the chair.
Maybe it's under the table.
Yeah.
Where do you?
Yucky.
What is yucky? Abigail, where do you like to go shopping? Where do you like to go shopping? Abigail, you like to go shopping there? Where?
I can't find it.
Abigail, you like to go shopping inside there?
It's in there.
Wow, that's your present from Zachary. Show Mommy. Mommy doesn't know what it is.
What did Zachary buy for you?
Zachary loves you so much.
What's in there? What is that?
Wow. Show me. Wow. Bracelets and necklaces. So pretty. And rings. What is that?
Okay.
That's not a pig.
That's an elephant.
Zachary knows that you like pink elephant. He bought you a pink elephant. Do you like a pink
I
elephant?
want to sleep with it.
You
wanna
want?
sleep with it?
Okay. You see, Zachary knows that you like pink elephant. Pink elephant is your favorite?
What is it? Can you go say thank you to Zachary?
Yeah. He's in there.
Yes. Zachary, thank you for my present.
Thank you for my present.
I love you. Can you say I love you?
I like you. For
He-
my
Elephant.
Wow, let me see a pink elephant. Can you show me? No more. You give it to Daddy.
Thank you. This is Daddy. I'm Daddy.
This it's Maya.
Ah, it's Maya's. Where are you going with the bib?
I want to take it out. May I
No, can you?
tell you take it out, please?
Oh.
Very nice.
I got it.
What, you are sitting on your elephant?
Yeah.
Oh no, does that hurt him?
No.
No.
Hi, Zachary. Hi, Zachary.
ההתחלה לא יודע מה לעשות עם זה, מה זה כאילו, את פה, אחת שם. Are you saying hi to Zachary? Zachary,
A pink elephant.
who gave you the pink elephant?
Miss Zachary.
Miss Zachary?
Miss Zachary.
No, Zachary is not a mess.
Oh, there's more.
Wow.
Why don't you go put them in your jewelry box? You're gonna have to get a new jewelry box soon.
The size of a refrigerator.